Emma, can we please talk? There's something that's been bothering me, and I think it's important for us to address it.
Sure, what's up, Laura? Is something wrong?
Well, lately I've noticed that you've been using my things without asking for permission, and it's been bothering me. I feel like my personal space and belongings are not being respected, and it's starting to strain our relationship.
Oh, come on, Laura. It's not that big of a deal. We're sisters, and we've always shared stuff. I didn't think it would bother you.
I understand that we're sisters and sharing is part of our bond, but that doesn't mean we can just disregard each other's boundaries. It's about respect and consideration. When you use my things without asking, it makes me feel like my space is being invaded.
I'm sorry, Laura. I didn't realize it was bothering you so much. I guess I've gotten used to borrowing your stuff without thinking about it. I never meant to invade your personal space.
I appreciate your apology, Emma. It's just that I believe it's important for us to establish clear boundaries and respect each other's belongings. It's not about being possessive, but about creating a sense of trust and mutual understanding.
You're right, Laura. I should have been more mindful of your boundaries. I promise to ask for permission before using your things from now on. I never intended to cause any conflict between us.
Thank you, Emma. It means a lot to me that you're willing to make a change. I value our relationship, and I think this conversation will help us grow closer. We should be able to rely on each other's support without any tension.
I completely agree, Laura. I'm sorry again for not considering your feelings. Moving forward, I'll make sure to ask you before using anything of yours. And if there's something specific you don't want me to touch, just let me know.
Thank you for understanding, Emma. That's all I ask for. It's not about controlling each other's actions, but about showing respect for each other's personal space and belongings. Communication is key, and I'm glad we're having this conversation.
Me too, Laura. I never want our relationship to be strained because of something that could be resolved through dialogue. I'll do my best to be more mindful and considerate in the future.
I appreciate your commitment, Emma. Let's continue to support and be there for each other as sisters. Remember, it's not just about our things, but also about our bond and understanding of each other's boundaries.
Absolutely, Laura. I value our relationship, and I'm glad we can have these conversations to strengthen it. Thank you for bringing this up, and I promise to make a conscious effort to respect your boundaries moving forward.
Thank you, Emma. I'm glad we could talk about this. It shows how much we care for each other. Let's always keep the lines of communication open and continue to grow as sisters.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.